Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to draw a Megalodon. First, you make a pretty sideways curve. This time, you go downwards and connect it. Now, you give it some teeth. I'll just wait for you to do that. Now you draw a line like this and a little tiny bit of curve. Now you can draw its eye. Now you draw its fins. Now I'll wait for you to do that. Now you can draw its gills. Now you can do its tail. Curve a little bit. You can make one side shorter if you want. Now it's time for like scratch marks and stuff. Scratch mark. Scratch mark. Scratch mark. Make water. And if you want to, you can make him like chasing after a person. Just make that. Now, if you want to, you can make a spear in his hand. Make the seafloor. Seaweed. Seaweed. Rock. Rock. Now you can draw a starfish. And another starfish. Now you can give him a worried face. And then, what else could you draw? And then you could draw like a big rock with a hole in it.